Mr. Chair, may I
Yes,
interject?
Chairman ako.
Mr. Administrator, law graduate po kayo, di po ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Bakit kayo nagdidepende sa isang accountant na hindi abogado at saka sa COA na hindi rin abogado na po pwede kayong ma-appoint na municipal administrator? Hindi ba dapat abogado?
Yes po.
Bakit sila po ang pinaniniwalaan po ninyo? Mas maalam po kayo sa bata.
Nag-rely po kasi kami solely dun sa RA 9184 na wala pong prohibition.
Pero hindi mo tinignan na may mga batas din na bawal?
Wala pong express prohibition po.
Meron. Sasabihin ko mamaya pag termino ko na ang
Sige
pag turn ko na ang magtanong.
Okay po.
Meron batas. At meron din sa Supreme Court decision that would support that.
Okay po.
Oh. Kaya huwag mo sabihin sa akin yon. Ang tanong ko, bakit ka naniniwala doon sa sinasabi ng mga hindi abogado? Diba? Dapat ang konsultahin mo yung abogado. Yung kapatid mo, mayor, abogado. Yung isa pang attorney Analna, abogado rin.
Yes po.
Bakit hindi sila ang tinanong ninyo? Bakit yung hindi abogado ang tinanong ninyo? Diba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
May I ask the mayor or his municipal administrator if he is aware of Presidential Decree number 807? Are you aware of such?
Yung specific po.
PD
Yes, po.
807.
Hindi po masyado, Mr. Chair.
It provides for the organization of the Civil Service Commission in accordance with provisions of the Constitution prescribing its powers and functions and for other purposes. Are you both aware of this?
Aware po pero hindi po masyado, Mr. Chair.
Are you aware of Section 49 PD 807?
If I may have a copy with, can I request?
Section 49 of PD 807 deals with nepotism. For your information. Under Section 49, nepotism is defined. Kasi yun ang sabi ng kapatid mo kanina na wala sa procurement law na nagpo-prohibit na pwede mong i-appoint yung kapatid mo bilang municipal administrator. Hindi po ba, Administrator, yung sagot niyo po kanina?
Yes po, based on...
Yes. Now, under Section 49 of PD 807, and I would like to quote, all appointments in the national, provincial, city, and municipal governments or in any branch or instrumentality thereof, including government-owned or controlled corporations, made in favor of a relative of the appointing or recommending authority or of the chief of the bureau or office or of the persons exercising immediate supervision over him are hereby prohibited. As used in this section, the word relative and members of the family referred to are those related within the third degree, either of consanguinity or of affinity. Now, there are exceptions to this provided for by law, and they are: number one, persons employed in a confidential capacity, teachers, physicians, members of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, provided, however, that in each particular instance, full report of such appointment shall be made to the Commission. May I know from the mayor kung yung pag-appoint mo sa municipal administrator who is your brother is in accordance with this law?
Yes po, dumaan po siya sa SB po at na-approve po ng CSC po as municipal administrator.
Are you trying to tell me that an approval of the Sangguniang Bayan appointing your brother as the municipal administrator would cure the violation of the law? Are you trying to tell me that?
No po, pero po nung pumasa po siya sa SB po.
Ang tinatanong ko po ay kung yung ginawa po ninyo is in accordance with Section 49, PD 807.
Yes po.
Simple lang yung tanong ko.
Yes po, in accordance po.
Bakit?
Kasama po siya sa exception po.
Ano ang exception?
Confidential po. Let
Are you
me...
aware of the Laurel law or the decision of the Supreme Court regarding provincial administrators?
Yung pong specific law po ng Laurel.
No, it's
hindi
a
po.
decision of the Supreme Court.
Hindi po.
Yung
Mr. Chair.
provincial municipal administrators are hindi considered confidential in nature and therefore not part of the exception of number 1 under PD 807.
Hindi po ako aware dun po sa Laurel law.
Well, yun po yung sinasabi ko. Kaya sinabi ko doon sa kapatid mo, antayin mo na ako magtanong. Dahil hindi tama yung sagot niya eh. While there's no provision under the procurement law na bawal yan, there are other laws na nagbabawal na i-appoint mo na administrator yung kapatid mo. May batas. And also, Section 49 of PD 807 was repeated doon sa administrative code ng ating bansa. Diba? Would you agree?
Mayor, please reply.
Ako po. Mr. Chair, yes po.
Yes. Kasi di ba, ito na ang tinanong ko nung una pero hindi kayo nag-agree eh. And also, hindi po kayo tumigil sa pag-appoint ng kapatid nyo bilang municipal administrator. In-appoint nyo pa na chairman ng Bids and Awards Committee. Would that be also prohibited under this law?
Actually po, Mr. Chair, nagbabase rin lang po kami. Wala po kasing express prohibition na pinapagbawal po. Nasabi rin po ng GPPB po na wala pong express prohibition na pwede pong, bawal pong i-appoint ang municipal administrator as back member po. Actually sa IIR po, nakalagay po doon, designated po ang isa pong officer or member ng municipal administrator as back member po.
Ganun po yung interpretasyon ninyo.
Yes po.
Kaya nga siguro kayo nagkakamali. Di po ba? And that is precisely the reason why, number 2, hindi kayo nagkonsulta sa siguro municipal lawyer ninyo kung tama yung ginagawa ninyo.
Mr. Chair, dumaan po kasi siya sa SB tsaka po sa CSC. So, pinisyon po talaga namin dahil po approve po siya ng mga government bodies po. Okay lang po yung ano po natin.
May I move, Mr. Chair, that the mayor would submit to us the document supporting such na approve ito ng Sangguniang Bayan and approve ng Civil Service Commission.
Actually,
yung appointment niya.
Mr. Chair, if I'm not mistaken, nasubmit po namin.
Nasubmit.
Last week po.
Ang Sangguniang?
Kasama no? Kasama po, nasubmit na po namin.
Pati yung sa opinion ng Civil Service?
Yung pong approval ng Civil Service, yes po. Kasama po. Nasubmit na po namin.
I confirm, Mr. Chair.
Yung designation niya as municipal administrator and as chairman of the BAC.
Yung pong, sa BAC po kasi EO lang po yun. Yung pong sa municipal administrator, ano po siya, SB and CSC po. Nasubmit na rin po namin last week.
Comsec, do we have a representative from the DILG?
Sir, we sent an invitation last week, but unfortunately, they did not send any representative.
May ano ba? Confirmation na na-receive nila? Comsec? Meron ba?
Mayor, may I, Mr. Chair?
Please proceed, Chairman ako.
Yung executive order na sinasabi nyo, executive order na in-issue ng municipality.
Yes po.
Yes.
Designating yung municipal administrator as member ng BAC po.
Yes. Ang tanong ko is, Is that also allowed by law?
Gumagawa po talaga ng EO para po mag-designate po ng mga members po.
I agree with that.
Yes po.
But yung bang law does not prohibit na yung iyong kapatid ay maging back chairman?
Wala po kasing express prohibition. As mentioned rin po ng GPBB po, na wala pong express prohibition na bawal po yung municipal administrator na ma-appoint po, or yung brother ko po as municipal administrator na ma-designate as member ng BAC po.
Pero hindi po ba sakop ng Section 49 of PD 807 yun? What does the GPPB say? Wala nga sa procurement law.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Pero naka-confine pa rin po tayo sa other laws po.
So do you agree that there might be a violation? Sa 9184 wala. Pero
So far, sir, wala po.
Sa
Pero sa other
9184.
laws po, possibly meron po.
possibly mayroon.
Yeah po.
Yun nga yung sinasabi ko, Mayor. I agree that 9184 does not prohibit you from appointing your brother as the chairman of the Bids and Awards Committee. But there is another law, Section 49 of PD 807. Di ba? Regarding nepotism.
Yes po. Pero po yung requirement lang po kasi ng as
Kaninong
member ng
requirement?
BAC po. As a BAC members po.
Hindi nga.
Oo.
Ano po ba ang hindi
Requirement.
ba position in government ang chairman ng BAC?
Opo. Ang
Would you
nakalagay po
agree?
kasi. Yes po.
Oh, yun pala eh. But if you read Section 49, kasama dun sa position sa national, provincial, city, and municipal government.
Yes po, ang pag-appoint po, bawal po. Pero po dinesignate po siya as member po, as head po, as municipal administrator po. So hindi po kasi bawal rin po mag-designate
Bawal nga,
ng
Antimano,
municipal.
yung municipal, I do not agree with you, Mr. Mayor,
Yes.
na hindi nyo binayulate yung batas nung dinesignate mo yung kapatid mo na municipal administrator. I disagree with you. Kasi it's against Section 49 PD 807.
Yes po.
On
Ano na po
nepotism.
namin.
Saan mo yan?
Nagkaroon po kasi kami ng CSC concurrence po, tsaka po SB. Kaya po yun po ang pinapanghawakan po namin. Kaya po na-appoint po as municipal administrator ang aking pong kapatid.
Yes.
Yes po.
Ngayon, bakit nyo in-appoint uli na chairman ng BAC yung kapatid po ninyo? Samantalang sakop pa rin yan ng Section 49 ng PD 807.
As mentioned nga po, nagbase po kasi sa walang express prohibition. Pero po kung mamarapatin po,
Wala
siguro
pong
po,
express provision of law or wala
Express-
pong
yes po.
express provision of 9184.
yes po, wala pong express prohibition ng 9184 po. Yun
Eh,
po,
kung meron naman
designated
prohibition na ibang batas, paano na yun, Mayor?
Pero as ano po siya, dinesignate po as member po ng BAC, yung po municipal administrator po. So doon po kami nag-rely. So siguro po maganda rin pong pagkakataon po ito, magkaroon po ng bagong batas po para mawala na po yung gray area po dito tungkol po sa pag-appoint po ng brother po o municipal administrator para po mawala po yung sa iba pong LGU rin po. Kung meron po kami yung pagkakamali, mawala po yun.
Sa municipal administrator, meron ng governing decision ng Supreme Court. Pero doon sa pag-appoint ng chairman ng Bids and Awards Committee, wala pa akong
Yes, po.
nakikita. So in other words, dahil sa decision ng Supreme Court na yung position ng municipal administrator is not confidential in nature, dapat hindi siya kasama. Kasi hindi exception to Section 49 807 yan eh. Now, the law also requires na pag ikaw ay maging municipal administrator, may 5 years ka na experience. Pwede ko bang matanong yung municipal administrator kung ano po yung experience niya 5 years before he was appointed as the municipal administrator?
Mr. Chair, sa pagkakaalala ko po, pag municipality is 3 years lang po. And nag-work po as director, or I manage the company of my parents, MAA Realty. And
3 years.
Opo, and nagtrabaho rin po ako sa Sangguniang Palalawigan as legislative staff assistant.
Okay. Could you submit documents to support this?
Yes po. Submit po namin, and yung appointment ko po is na-submit ko na rin po.
Ang hinihiling ko po, yung document supporting your allegations today
Okay po.
that you have 3 years experience required by law.
Sige po, kuha po ako ng mga certificate of employment ko.
Yeah, thank you.